edition lifestyle. How are we doing today? Hopefully you guys are having a great day. I'm inside the garage. I've been working on a truck lately. We had an accident. Not an accident, but a problem. The problem was that the arm to the steering wheel housing came loose. The elbow came off the thing, so I have to do that tomorrow. Right now, what I am doing, I don't know if you can tell back here, it's kind of hard to see. I don't want to end up dropping the camera. I am putting the new lights on the rack. I bought a rack, it's 64 inches by 34, I believe, I'm not sure. But we're trying to work. It's not going on this. This is the Subaru that we take to the mountains half the time. But yes, right now we are going to do this and see how it goes. And after that, we're going to install it and hopefully all the lights work correctly. So this is the 64-inch rack with a 32-inch LED bar on it. It also has a 4-inch square excuse me, 4-inch square LED spotlight, one on that side. I decided to put one in each corner, one there, one over there, so when I light up the night I can actually have more angles. I will get one more there and also one more here, so I have two on each side. I gotta think something for the back, so we'll see. Well, now I'm going to install the rack on top of the SUV. Getting all the wires ready. Also I installed this light, 32-inch dual LED, two single spotlights like the ones on the rack, and two little monster amber fog lights that they work wonderful. So right now I'm going to install. See, I already got enough freaking cables here. This is too much. Oh, poor truck. Well, I'm gonna add this thing and then get it done. See you soon.
Sometimes we forget why we're here. It's easy to fall off track. These help us remember.
These battle scars don't look like they're faded, don't look like they're ever gone away. They ain't never gonna change. These battles.
Growing up I had a dream, something no one else could see. Tell me what it means when your faith is falling beneath your knees and you can't breathe.